Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device supports always-on display. iPhone 14 Pro or newer, updated to the latest iOS. Once done, charge the phone above 20% and turn off low power mode because it disables always on. Now go to Settings, tap Display and Brightness, find Always On and toggle it on. This is the first actionable step. You're enabling the feature itself. Next, make small choices about what stays visible, so the display is useful without draining the battery. Once Always On is enabled, customize what you see so the screen stays informative but efficient. You should pick a lock screen wallpaper that contrasts well, lower overall brightness, and enable Reduce Motion to save power. Make decisions about notifications. Allow them to appear briefly rather than full previews, and choose which widgets remain visible. Less clutter equals less energy. Make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb exceptions don't hide important alerts, and test the look by locking and waking the phone a few times. Finish by restarting your iPhone so all settings apply cleanly. That often resolves odd behavior. If Always On display won't remain active, make sure low power mode is off, install any pending iOS updates, and confirm the model supports AOD. If problems persist, check battery health in Settings. Right arrow battery. A severely degraded battery may disable or shorten always-on functionality. Consider service. As a quick fix, toggle Always On off and on again, then reboot. That solves most glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.